So I want to introduce you to one of our Pin with Purpose grads. This is Charlie, just so you can get to know her, her story, her business a little bit more. So Charlie, can you tell us about you and your business?
Yeah, of course. Hi, everybody. Thanks, Rachel. My name is Charlie. And basically, I set up my online business about a year ago, maybe just a bit less. I am an Instagram expert, except when I first set it up, I kind of had myself as a social media expert. But one of the very first things that I learned with Pin with Purpose is don't be wide and don't talk to everybody. So basically my number one tip is do what Rachel says, is niche down.
Amazing. Okay, so you signed up for Pin with Purpose when?
December it was, yeah.
In December, so that was not that long ago. And what made you decide to actually join?
I think like for some reason I'd somehow come across your podcast before I came across anything else that you were doing.
Cool.
And I just found you really inspirational, like all the interviews and everything that you were doing. I thought they were great. I just, used to drive around and like listen to you talk. And I kind of like picked up on the fact that you like really had like amazing sort of facts and figures about Pinterest and, how you've done it before in your network marketing company. So I just like was really inspired and like really drawn to you. So I went and checked out Pin with Purpose and that was it. One of my absolute favorite sort of like business mentor sort of people that I always like look at is Mel Robbins, and she teaches you to just literally go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off and just do it. Just do it because it really is amazing. And then the other thing that I would say is because you bought the course, don't just think that you are just going to watch it once, maybe implement it, and then that's it. Always go back to it. Always, sort of like check in again, like maybe watch the keyword module again, because, that's so important. Once you've got it once, just, keep rewatching, keep reminding yourself.
Yeah, because that repetition is the mother of skill. And so you got to keep kind of hearing that same thing for it to really sink in. And for those of you that sign up for Pin with Purpose, you get lifetime access. Plus, I update it whenever Pinterest changes or whenever I have a new strategy, because I'm kind of always looking at, could I do this better? Could I tweak this a little bit more? So you're going to get access to all those changes too.
Yeah, definitely.
Cool. Well, anything else you want to add?
What else can I add? I don't know really. I think my stats say it all, like
yeah,
that many people.
Crazy. Like, 1,500 people on your email list.
Yeah.
How much money would you have had to spend on ads? Typically cost per lead is anywhere $2 to $5.
One of my ads did perform a lot better than that $2 to $3 per lead.
Really?
Yeah, I actually had a pretty good lead going. In American dollars, it was about 60 cents.
Oh, that's unheard of. Crazy.
I know. So I did actually get quite a few leads, which was really quite amazing. But I mean, they weren't the right leads. I mean, it might have been my fault with the targeting. They weren't the right leads and they didn't convert. So it doesn't matter how much it cost it,
For sure. Not worth it. Amazing. Well, for your first Facebook Live, you're doing a great job. I'm super proud of you. Where can people learn more about what you're doing and can connect with you?
Okay, so you can connect with me on Pinterest because, Pinterest is awesome. So my brand name is Boundless Social. So you can find me on Pinterest and Instagram. And then also my website is boundlesssocial.com.
Cool. Well, dude, Charlie, I'm so proud of you. I can't wait to see where you're going to be a year from now, because with what you've already done, like you have the foundation set. Now it's time to grow like crazy. So thank you for being on and sharing your story with our awesome group here. And I'll talk to you soon.
Thanks, Rachel.